National Capital and Regional Athletic Association 31st season, and we are live here inside the Strike Gymnasium here in the city of Bacoor in the province of Cavite. Charles Bechong here, Coach Anton Doros Reyes with me, calling the action ng ating Juniors Division Finals. This is only a one-game affair, knockout game for all the marbles. Coach, kasama natin ngayon ang mga head coaches ng dalawang teams natin from ICC Baby Blue Hawks and the EAC Junior Vanguard. Simulan muna natin on your side, Coach.
Again, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the finals ng ating Juniors Division sa 31st season ng NCRAA. All the hard work, all the sacrifices, eto na, magbubunga na para sa magkabilang koponan. I'm gonna start things off with Coach MJ. Ano ang naging mensahe mo sa inyong mga players? Alam naman natin, back-to-back champions, ICC Blue Hawks. Napakahirap para matalo. Ano ang mensahe mo at ano nga binilin mo sa kanila prior to this game?
I-remind ko po sila na blessed kami na nakapasok kami ng finals. Malaking bagay na po sa amin yun as a new team. And then, stick lang kami sa system namin. Tinignan namin kung hanggang saan kami dadalhin.
Alright, so again, making sure that you're thankful, grateful for the blessing of making it to the finals. Stick to their system. Yan ang payo ni Coach MJ Montes.
On the flip side, Coach Speedy Gonzalez of the ICC Baby Blue Hawks. Coach, you're the reigning champions dito sa NCRAA. Paano mo napapanatili na hindi mag-relax yung team mo going into the finals knowing na kayo naman yung reigning champions?
Unang-una nag-ano kami dun sa system tsaka sa talaga yung practice namin talagang every practices pinaghahandaan namin, nagpe-prepare kami. So sabi ko nga sa kanila, hindi tayo yung intact tsaka malakas ngayon kasi most of them rookies. So tatlo lang yung na-retain sa amin. So sabi ko sa kanila, maglaro lang as a team, compose lang yung sarili nila tsaka dapat maging wise kami dun sa mga decision na gagawin nila sa court para siyempre makuha namin ulit yung championship.
Alright, thank you so much, coaches, Coach MJ Montes and Coach Speedy Gonzalez para sa ating finals matchup, the spearheaders ng ating juniors finals matchup. Huwag natin patagalin pa, ICC kontra EAC Cavite. Ryan Paro, it's your turn.
From Bacoor City Strike Gymnasium in Bacoor City, Cavite. This is the 31st season of the National Capital and Regional Athletic Association Finals for the Juniors Division. It's the game featuring Emilio Aguinaldo College of Cavite Junior Vanguards and sticking with Pete is Immaculada Concepcion College Baby Blue Hawks. And now let's meet all the players first for EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards. Number 1, Toto Legaspi. Number 2, King Raimundo. Number 3, Yuri Sumayaw. Number 4, Cash Mantillas. Number 5, Francis Magdarog. Number 7, Jacob Mercado. Number 8, Ivan Narido. Number 10, Russell Cernias. Number 11, Lance Samson. Number 12, Robert Dabilaga. Number 15, Victor Abay. Number 20, John Ray Galarpe. Number 23, JC Bartolome. Number 26, Jairus Pantoja. And number 35, Nino Pascua. And now let's meet all the players for the ICC Baby Blue Hawks. Number 1, Yuri Operario. Number 2, Sean Erbon. Number 5, Ken Galyasa. Number 8, Godwin Uy. Number 10, Moscow Giran. Number 11, Marco Gumatay. Number 14, Rodrigue Fox. Number 15, Charles Zamoras. Number 19, James Corpus. Number 26, Matthew Aran. Number 27, Joshua Kabamoto. Number 32, Cedric Navarro. Number 44, Enzo Arellano. Number 45, Nico Quinto. And number 88, Kirby Bautista. All players and coaches, please proceed to the center court for final instructions from our referees, Technical Head John Santiago, Commissioner Anthony Sulit, and NCRAA General Manager Mr. Buddy Encarnado. All players and coaches, please proceed for a traditional sportsmanship handshake. And now let's meet the starters first for EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards. At center number 23, JC Bartolome. Point guard number 12, Robert Dabilaga. Shooting guard number 2, King Raimundo. Small forward number 5, Francis Bagdalook. And power forward number 3, Yuri Sumayao. Head coach for the Junior Vanguards is Mark Monares. And now let's meet the starters for ICC Baby Blue Hawks. Center number 32, Cedric Navarro. Point guard number 1, Yuri Operario. Shooting guard number 5, Ken Galyaza. Small forward number 26, Matthew Aran. And power forward number 88, Kirby Bautista. Head coach for Baby Blue Hawks is Mike Speedy Gonzalez. Our officials for this junior finals are crew chief and technical head John Santiago. Umpire 1, Eric Robles. Umpire 2, J. Mar Taliedo. This game is under the supervision of Commissioner Anthony Sulit. This is the 31st NCRAA Season 31 Juniors Finals, where champions are born. Are you ready?
Live here from Strike Gymnasium here in Bacoor,
First quarter.
Cavite. Charles Beichong here, Coach Anton de los Reyes calling the action ng ating Juniors Division Finals matchup between EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards and the ICC Maculada Concepcion College Baby Blue Hawks. This is just a one-game affair, Coach. Knockout game, all for the marbles.
Finals game day indeed for all the marbles. This is what these players live for, being able to get that chance to play in the finals. Alam naman natin itong ICC Baby Blue Hawks gunning for their back-to-back or their back-to-back championship. Last year they got it. This year, ito naman ang EAC lumalaban, and they want to be able to change that story, change that narrative. At matchup nitong dalawang koponan. First round, the Baby Blue Hawks 61-53, winning that matchup in that game. Yuri Operario 14 points, Ken Galyaza with 13, and Joaquin Navarro with 12. Nung second round naman, ICC pa rin ang nanalo 79-73 at game. 19 points from Roderick Folks to go along with 14 rebounds. And Ken Galyaza, Godwin Oy, both with 14 points apiece.
3-0 to start. Matthew Aran hitting that three-pointer to go para dito sa ICC Baby Blue Hawks. Scoreless pa rin itong mga EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards. Coach, we're gonna talk about X factors here. This is just one game. For pride, for glory, and for all the marbles. Sino yung mga X factors mo for these two teams?
Alright, for the side of EAC, I'm gonna start Toto Legaspi. That's the person that I'm looking for to help out. Etong si Russell Cernias as well as Robert Dapilaga. Siya yung magiging X factor natin for EAC in their matchup against ICC nung first round. Toto Legaspi with 11 points. Nung second round, only 4. So again, I want to be able to see Toto Legaspi step up for the side of EAC. Habang sa kabila naman, I'm looking for Godwin Uy. Alam natin, this team ng ICC, Ken Galyaza, Yuri Operario, those are the usual suspects. But Godwin Uy, I'm looking for him to have a big game today sa ating finals.
Still scoreless etong panig ni Coach Mark Montes, AC Cavite Junior Vanguards. Habang ito namang mga bataan ni Coach Speedy Gonzales, lahat ng butas galing sa labas.
You know, at the top of the broadcast, you mentioned na ang mahirap para dito sa side ng EAC is yung bench nila.
The depth.
And to try to mitigate that, I'll talk more about that. It's going to be a timeout by the Vanguards. 8-0 is the score, 7 minutes, 29 remaining.
Eight to nothing start para dito sa ICC Baby Blue Hawks. 7:25 remaining here in the first quarter. Coach, you were talking about something kanina.
Yeah, we talked
bench.
about it at the top of the broadcast. Yung bench ng EAC Junior Vanguards yung nagiging issue. That's the reason why you didn't see Russell Cernias and Toto Legaspi starting out. The reason being is gusto nga ni Coach MJ Montes merong magsisimula or merong off the bench na spark. Pero since 8-0, mapipilitan si Coach MJ na ipasok na si Toto at saka si Russell Cernias. And if you look at this 5 para dito sa EAC, veteran, I mean, magkakasama na itong 5 to ibang liga.
Ito, Russell Cernias converting in transition plus the foul.
Not wasting any time, Russell Cernias attacking the basket off of that turnover from ICC. Chance for a 3-point play. There you go, completes that 3-point play.
Isa naman sa mga downside, or I wouldn't say downside, pero naging dilemma ni Coach Speedy Gonzales sa kanyang panig coach, yung pagiging batang team nila. 3 lang daw yung holdovers from last season. Lahat rookies na. Unlike itong Vanguards, Junior Vanguards, na yes, mga bata din sila, pero ang tagal na nilang magkakasama. Tsaka sa ibang liga, magkakasama rin sila.
Yun yung malaking factor dyan. The familiarity is there. Habang ito naman sa side ni Coach Speedy, yung composure, kailangan mong panghanapin, the patience. But again, so far, looking good itong defending champs.
It's Yuri Operario, the smooth operator for you. Here's Magdaraog. They go big part against Bautista. What a matchup we have here. Russell Cernias firing away, short. Kanya pa din. And there's a foul on Kirby Bautista. Big Bart versus Kirby Bautista. How do you like that matchup?
Lamang si Bart dyan sa tangkad, pero sa banggaan, I would say match na match lang yan dalawa.
Toto Legaspi off the glass, no. Takbo na naman itong Baby Blue Hawks. Ken Galyaza kicks it out. Operario, left wing 3, no good. Joaquin Navarro keeping it alive. Kanino mapupunta ang bola? It's gonna go to the other side, to the white shirts. (10-3) is the score. Tapilaga has it against Operario. 15 on the 24. Legaspi, free throw jumper, wala pa din. Big Bart, sobra naman. Big Bart pa din.
Third time's the charm for JC Bartolome. Getting those offensive rebounds, a couple of them off of those misses, and that's what you want to see, those extra possessions.
And Galyaza, now Matthew Aran hit one earlier, can't hit another. In transition are the white shirts. Robert Tapilaga, huli na naman! Tapilaga kicks it out. Russell Cernias free for the 3. Decides to take it to the cup. Magdaraog, the crossover. Tapilaga saw an opening and took advantage of it.
Smart move by Robert Tapilaga. saw that open lane, did not settle for that three-pointer. There's a timeout. 10-7 is our score. 4 minutes and 36 remaining here in the first.
Game time.
.436 remaining. 10-7. A 7-2 run para dito sa EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards. Godwin Uy, your X-Factor coach. They go Yuri Operario against Sernias. Kirby Bautista kicks it out. Galiaza puts it up. Ken Galiaza will miss. Kirby Bautista, another offensive rebound. The stick back. And there's a foul on Joaquin Navarro.
That'll be a push from behind with that offensive rebound by Joaquin Navarro.
13 foul ICC. Submission. James Corpus for Cedric Navarro.
4:09. Legaspi sets the pick. Kapilaga against Operario. Naagawan, Ken Galiaza. Godwin Uy sets up Operario. Masyadong malalim. Rebound, Big Bart.
I like how Bart controlled that board. Wala nang makakasungkit talaga dun.
Francis Magdarong still scoreless here in this ball game. Bart sets the pick. Magdarong unable to hit that one.
I like this matchup between Corpus and Toto Legaspi underneath. Both athletic players.
Russell Sernias turns the ball over para dito sa EAC Cavite Vanguards. And coach, kita mo naman checking in is Usher, Roderick Folks.
With that heavily taped elbow, left elbow, si Roderick Folks, or as we fondly call him, Usher.
Disclaimer, si Coach Oki po ang nagtawag sa kanya noon, hindi po kami.
So went through the legs of Robert Magic Johnson Dapilaga.
Disclaimer din po, si Coach Darren Alunod po.
Daryl ang nagbansag dyan.
Meantime, Ken Galiaza getting fouled on the move. Marami-rami pang hindi napapasok dito sa ICC coach. Sean Herbon, hindi pa napapasok. Kawamoto, wala pa din. Sino pa bang hindi pa nabubunot ni Coach Speedy? Enzo Arellano, hindi pa din.
Yep. Moss
Kaugiran. Charles Zamoras.
Yeah. You'll understand, it is the finals, medyo umiiksi ang rotation talaga ng coaches.
King Raimundo drops it off Robert Dapilaga. Toto Legaspi way to get his first basket of the ball game.
At time, a lot of chances. Couldn't get that defensive rebound para sa ICC. You have to be able to control those. Good job naman para sa Junior Vanguards.
Yuri Operario agad namang binawi. Russell Sernias gets fouled by Ken Galiaza.
At a quick bilis talaga nito ni Russell Sernias. Imagine mo, pag-atake ni Yuri Operario, nandun na siya kagad sa baba. So, great recognition from the side of the Junior Vanguards to understand na si Russell, talagang he's gonna leak out. He's gonna get those outlet passes.
dahil nga tagapaliparan tong si Russell Sernias. He always thinks that he's on a runway.
Ayang lilipad at lilipad yan si Russell. And again, ito yung magandang matchup. Russell Sernias versus Ken Galyaza. Parehong kaliwete. Pero
Kaso nilabas muna si
Yun.
Ken Galyaza. Papalitan ni Enzo Arellano. Huli doon si Godwin Uy. Russell Sernias in transition. Russell Sernias!
and there it is. That takeoff. Flight number 10.
Agaw pabalik, Yuri Operario against the Pilaga. He spins, he sets up Roderick Folks, and Roderick gets his first basket of the finals.
Athleticism of Roderick Folks in full display on that one.
Big Bart sets up a three. Big Bart will miss. Would you say it was an ill-advised shot?
Has that in his arsenal. He was wide open. Go ahead and take that. That's going to build confidence.
Enzo Arellano can't get that one. Toto Legaspi sets the pick. Use the switch. Corpus now guarding the Pilaga. Kicks it out. Russell Sernias from deep. Russell Sernias ties the ball game.
Nice pass by Robert Dapilaga. No one switching, no one going and contesting that three-pointer from Russell Sernias.
Offensive foul on Roderick Folks. 50 seconds remaining here in the first 10 minutes of action.
I gotta say, Russell Sernias able to sell that call. Eric Robles, tinawagan dun si Usher.
Victor Abay against Sean Hermon. Kapapasok lang itong dalawang players na to. Toto Legaspi. Good on the mid-range jumper.
Smooth looking stroke. Toto Legaspi did not hesitate on that midi.
Roderick Folks. Now to Sean Herbon. Enzo Arellano. 10 to shoot. 18 on the game clock. Shot clock is off. 12 seconds remaining. Russell Sernias. Over to the other side. King Raimundo can't take the lead. Another chance. 3 seconds remaining. Raimundo. Masyadong mababa yung pasa kay Big Bart.
0.14 of a second.
And that is the end of the first 10 minutes of action ng ating Juniors Division Finals. Lamang ang EAC Cavite ng dalawa, 17-15. Still live here from Strike Gymnasium in the city of Bacoor in the province of Cavite. Charles Bechong here, Coach Anton de los Reyes calling the action ng ating Juniors Division Finals matchup between EAC Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite Junior Vanguards and the defending champions ICC Immaculada Concepcion College Baby Blue Hawks. 17-15 at the end of one. Coach, ang laking bagay nung pagpasok bigla ni Toto Legaspi and Russell Sernias.
Also, again, the sparks off the bench, and that was what Coach MJ Montes wanted to do. Na-address niya yung issue ng kakulangan ng players from the bench ng EAC. He mitigated that by using Toto Legaspi and Russell Sernias as the players that are gonna come off the bench.
Agaw dito, EAC Junior Vanguards. In transition are the white shirts. Victor Abay kicks it out. King Raimundo thought about it. Out of time on their shot clock. Raimundo has it. 10 to shoot. King. Ibigay sana kay Toto Legaspi kaso hindi naman dumive si Toto doon.
It's a bad read by King Raimundo on that one.
And a block from Robert Dapilaga. Sean Herbon puts it up. Can't make it. 17-15 still is the score. Almost 2 minutes gone by here in the second period. Wala pa rin nakakascore dito sa magkabilang panig. Raimundo, now Legaspi. Victor Abay 3. Victor knocks it down.
Drive and kick, Toto Legaspi finding Abay for that left wing 3.
Godwin Oy, sidestep. There you go, Corpus. Nakakuha ni Toto Legaspi. Out to Raimundo. King Raimundo!
Fast break working para dito sa Junior Vanguards. Not giving up on that play. Toto Legaspi got that steal. Gave it, or recovered that ball. Gave it up. Robert Dapilaga, outlet. Finish.
Enzo Arellano, muntik pang maagawan. Sean Herbon with 8. Roderick Folks puts it up. Can't put it in. Rebound na naman para Victor Abay. Victor, now they go Bartolome against Folks. The spin, no good. Oops, there's a foul on Big Bart.
There's that reach. Again, you can't give the referees a chance to blow their whistle by reaching in. This platoon substitution for the side of Coach Speedy Gonzalez. Pandiinan yung 5 na nasa floor for Coach Speedy.
Ito yung first 5 except kay
Roderick.
Roderick Folks. It was Kirby Bautista who started. Ken Galiaza. No good. The bazooka!
Timed that rebound perfectly. Naunang tumanon doon si Bart.
Tumalbog pa yung bola.
Yep.
King Raimundo. Step back three-pointer, no good. Bartolome passes it to the wrong guy, Matthew Aran. Galiaza. They go Roderick. Matthew Aran, the floater, it's in. Finally.
I like that offensive set ng ICC. They did not panic. The defense was right there. The doubles were there. Matthew Aran, Roderick Folks teaming up to give 2 points para dito sa Baby Blue Hawks.
King Raimundo, quick trigger. King will miss. Matthew Aran is all alone. Ken Galiaza. And now, 22-19. The lead was as high as 7. 5:39 remaining here in the second period. Oh, this 22-21. Just a 1-point game. Lamang pa din ang mga nakaputi.
Game time.
5:39 remaining here in the second period. 22-21. A 6-0 run para dito kay Coach Speedy Gonzalez.
And look at the substitutions. The adjustment of Coach MJ Montes. Pinasok niya na ulit. Francis Magdaraog, Russell Cernias.
Here goes Francis. Underneath. And there's Big Bart getting fouled by Roderick Folks.
May hold
Only
daw
foul
doon.
number 14, Roderick Fox. His second, first team foul ICC. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Clock says 14. Magdaraog. Now Dapilaga. One dribble pull-up, won't work. Tapi ka ng bola. Balik dito sa EAC Cavite Vanguard. Si Navarro lang yun nandun. Coach, tatlo yung nakaputi.
Yun nga eh. I was gonna say, it'll be tough for Joaquin Navarro to get that board.
10 to shoot. They go Russell Serias. Picked by Francis. Down to 5. The escape. Can't get it to go. Rebound by Navarro.
Pag single coverage, mahirap makuhanan si Joaquin Navarro ng rebound.
Matthew Aran. Almost a steal, and it is. Russell Serias, the fake. And there's a foul by Ken Galiaza.
Smart play by Russell Sernias. Both players, no, Ken Galiaza did not bite on the up fake. Russell Sernias gave an up fake. Both players playing smart. Yun nga lang, nakuha na ng foul si Ken Galiaza ni Russell Sernias on that fast break play.
Russell Sernias, so deadly in transition.
And from the outside as well. It's hard to leave him open.
Unable to hit 2 free throws itong si Sernias.
Uncharacteristic for him.
Roderick Folks pinilit. Hindi pumasok. Francis Magdarog still scoreless here in the ball game. Russell Sernias, quick trigger from the left corner.
He said it, deadly from transition, deadly from the outside. Yun, time na yun, transition offense yun, and then a 3.
Ken Galiaza bumitin. Ken Galiaza. Traveling violation on Francis Magdaraog.
Kirby Bautista for Rodrigo Fox.
Nice block by Roderick Folks. Hindi niya pinabayaang makalibre ng shoot. Again, we talk about it. Minsan, pag nakita mo lang ma-shoot yung bola, nagaganahan ka na.
Diego Navarro overshoots. Victor Abay stops on a dime. Victor will miss. Galiaza. Rebound by Francis Magdaraogo. 25 to 23. Tapilaga transition 3. Off to the right.
Four-out offense para dito sa ICC, moving that ball around up top, trying to find that opening. You want to be able to see some weak side action after that swing up top.
Yuri Operario. Miss from beyond the arc. Rebound Russell Sernias. Here goes Tapilaga. King Raimundo. Kanina pa niya hinahanap. Yung tira sa labas na yan. And Toto Legaspi catching Kirby Bautista off guard.
Napitasan niya doon off that long rebound si Kirby Bautista.
Ating guest game announcer, James mismo, nanonood sa ating live.
Yun.
Hello po sa mga nanonood sa ating live stream coverage. May it be on YouTube or on Facebook. Yuri Operario 3, no good. Rebound King Raimundo.
Couple of trips from the three-point area. Wala for Yuri.
And this time, King Raimundo knocks it down from distance. Hindi nawawala yung kumpiyansa niya, no? Yung King Raimundo, despite missing 3 or 4 straight, making that 4th one in transition. 7-point lead once again para dito sa EAC Cavite. .213 remaining here in the first half. 30-23 after that 3-pointer by King Raimundo. Aran swing. Ken Galyaza. Navarro! The bazooka!
Again, offensive rebounding. That's the second time Joaquin Navarro was able to get an offensive rebound. And then a putback. This time, may bonus pa. EAC, you gotta do a better job. This junior Vanguard's boxing out.
He may not always get those offensive rebounds, but it's only gonna be a matter of time na makakaswerte din niya, na makukuha niya. At yan, na one of those times na na-rewardan siya.
Yun.
He'll get one more free throw.
Yun pa. And again, you may not always get those offensive rebounds, but if you keep fighting, you keep trying, eventually, yung timing, it's just gonna be right. Those points are gonna be needed.
Russell Sernias off left. Rebound by Sumayaw. King Raimundo creating separation. King Raimundo!
He's now mixing up his offense. Earlier he hit a 3-pointer. Now mid-range game, short corner jumper.
Bibigay sana sa ilalim, Kirby Bautista, nakatapik ni Russell Sernias. They go Toto Legaspi. Oh, flying high for that layup.
6 points for my X-Factor, Toto Legaspi, off of that drive to the basket, straight down the pipe.
Largest lead off the ball game at 9, 34-25. Matthew Aran. Operario, natapika na naman siya. Oops!
Pass was too strong from Robert Dapelaga. Sayang yung mga ganong opportunities.
Chance to extend the lead sana yan to double digits. 52 seconds remaining here in the first half. Operario, now Galyaza. Legaspi. 14 on the 24. JC Bartolome.
Kakapasok lang yan. 11-point lead now para dito sa EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards.
Kirby Bautista will miss. Toto Legaspi flying high once again is Toto Legaspi. 5 seconds remaining. Sean Herbon. Hindi nila alam na paubos na ang oras. And this is the largest lead of the ball game at 13 points. 38-25 para dito sa EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards.
A leading institution at the heart of Dasmariñas, founded by a national scientist, Dr. Paulo C. Campos, succeeded by Dr. Jose Paulo E. Campos, an institution proud of its rich tradition of academic excellence, with organized facilities and accommodating staff, raising the bar of excellence and quality education beyond the borders, provides opportunities to experiment, explore, and enhance the students' critical thinking. This is Emilio Aguinaldo College, Cavite. Over the years, EAC Cavite has emerged as one of the top choices for Caviteños and across borders. The institution remains committed to offering an education on par with international standards. Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite has passed the second surveillance audit for a certification by the Worldwide Quality Assurance International Organization for Standardization 9001 Series of 2015 in December 2023. On September 16, 2024, the Commission on Higher Education granted EAC Cavite the regulated status as outlined in CHED Memorandum Order No. 7, Series of 2024. More recently, in October 2024, the institution passed the ISO 21001 Series of 2018 Stage 1 Certification Audit. EAC Cavite offers equal educational opportunities at both secondary and tertiary levels in pursuit of excellence and global competence. In 2016, the institution welcomed its first batch of senior high school students under the following academic tracks and the technical vocational livelihood tracks. At the tertiary level, EAC Cavite offers diverse programs under the Institute of Management, Humanities and Social Sciences Institute, Engineering, Sciences and Technology Institute, the Biomedical Sciences Institute, and the Institute of the Law and Justice. Over a decade ago, we embarked on a journey for program accreditation. Today, various programs have achieved the following accreditation statuses, showcasing our commitment to quality education. Associate status. Level 1 Formal Accreditation Status. Level 2 First Reaccredited Status. Level 2 Second Reaccredited Status. Level 3 Reaccredited Status. EAC Cavite has consistently produced board exam top-notchers and maintained excellent board passing rates, demonstrating our commitment to academic excellence. Emilians excel not only in academics but also in extracurricular activities like sports and recreation. Students have access to sports facilities such as the Friendship Oval, gymnasium, football field, martial arts gym, and swimming pool. Our vibrant campus hosts diverse activities, including athletic competitions, arts and culture festivals, and leadership workshops, encouraging students to explore beyond their classrooms. Emilians benefit from a wide range of facilities, including libraries, computer laboratories, lecture halls, social hall, research hubs, learning resource center, and Antlers Hotel. In line with our commitment to quality education and student well-being, Emilio Aguinaldo College has renovated an additional building called EAC North. Located near our base hospital, Emilio Aguinaldo College Medical Center, this facility is designed to support and enhance students' academic pursuits by providing quick and easy access to essential practical learning facilities. We're also expanding with a new 12-story building set for completion by 2026, ensuring improved learning environments for all students. Embracing technological advancements, we've secured long-term partnerships with educational software providers like Labster, Elsevier, Brightspace, and Turnitin. Our students benefit from cutting-edge tools and resources that enhance their learning experience. Strengthening our resources.
Third quarter.
You are still watching the finals of the Juniors Division ng NCRAA National Capital and Regional Athletic Association Season 31. Charles Bechong here, Coach Anton de los Reyes coming to you live from Strike Gymnasium here in Bacoor City in the province of Cavite. Coach, this is the largest lead of the ball game, 38-25. You have the numbers.
Things are looking good for the side of EAC, trying to get an upset of sorts against the defending champions ICC Baby Blue Hawks nung ating first half. Field goal percentage para dito sa EAC Cavite Junior Vanguard, 15 out of 40, 37%. Para naman sa side ng ICC Junior Blue Hawks, 11 out of 39, 28%. If you look at the rebounding totals, EAC with a 10 plus 10 advantage at 33 total rebound, samantalang itong ICC only 23. Eto na, nagsisimula nang bumawi ang ICC Baby Blue Hawks. Mukhang nasigawan kagad ni Coach P.D. Gonzalez nung nung halftime. Timeout. 38-31. We'll be back.
Game time.
After that three-pointer by Matthew Aran. Coach, tapos ka na ba mag-numbers o hindi pa?
Oh, just the leading scorers. Yan lang ang kulang natin nung first half. Russell Cernias with 12 points. Toto Legaspi with 10 for ICC. You've got Ken Galyaza with 8. Joaquin Navarro with 6 to lead the scorers for these two teams.
Batiin natin si Brandy Ann. Nanonood ba, Coach?
Siyempre, Brandy Ann.
Ilan taon na ba si Brandy Ann?
Mga 10 years old na yun si Brandy.
JC Bartolome stops the bleeding para dito sa EAC Cavite.
And ito just side note, itong 5 na nasa floor for the Junior Vanguards. For the Junior Vanguards. Ito courtesy of Don Pacundo Cares. Yang limang yan.
Yeah,
yung
Don
mga
Pax Cares.
Oh, yang limang yan. Robert Dapilaga, Toto Legaspi, JC Bartolome, Russell Cernias, and Francis Magdaraog.
Meantime, Yuri Operario, the smooth operator. Crowd is alive here.
His second team foul, ESP Cavite.
40-33.
The bonus is Yuri Operario.
After being down
13
by 13 points, look at this run for the side of ICC.
Di nga alam makukumpleto ni Yuri Operario yan. Diego Russell Cernias. Quick trigger, Russell overshoots. Yuri Operario tracks it down.
It's a great challenge on that shot of Russell Cernias. Had to shoot over the defender, kaya malakas.
Natawagan ng foul itong si Toto Legaspi.
Sumundot. Tried to get that ball back. Again, our referees being strict with those reach-in fouls. Can't allow the referees to... can't give them a chance to blow their whistle by reaching in.
Yuri Operario steps on the brakes.
Too good, Yuri Operario on that one.
This is just a 5-point ball game. Robert Napinaga. King Raimundo will miss. Rebound by Kirby Bautista.
Only one crack at the basket. King Raimundo is able to knock down three-pointer ng first half, trying to replicate that here in the second.
Ken Galyaza against Russell Cernias. Parehas na kaliwete. Sumobra yung tira. It's with Dapilaga. 40-35. Dapilaga on the move. Huli ni Navarro.
A defense making it difficult for Robert Dapilaga to get those points underneath.
Nakuha ni Russell Sernias ang bola. And there's a foul given up by Yuri Operario. I would say it was a good foul.
You gotta stop itong si Russell Sernias from getting that full head of steam. So sa baba pa lang, final na kagad ni Yuri Operario.
.35, 2 puntos pa lang. Etong EAC, ito kausap ni Commissioner, ito si Bartolome and si Bautista.
Kanina pa kasi nagbabanggaan yung dalawa. Sabi ni Com, pag di kayo tumigil, mapathrown out ko kayo.
Eh para sa naman daw kasi yung mga naglalaki ang katawan nitong dalawang to kung hindi na naman gagamitin sa banggaan, di ba? As Bartolome will miss from beyond the arc.
0 for 2 for JC Bartolome from beyond the arc.
You gotta commend, no, Commissioner Anthony Sulit. Wala munang tawag. Wala munang technical foul. Wala munang unsportsmanlike. Kinausap muna.
Wala nga munang warning from our officials. Basta kausapin ko kayo.
Siyempre, parehas mabigat yung roles nitong dalawang to. So, it might take the fun out of everything kung may mato-thrown out sa kanila. Great defense by ICC Baby Blue Hawks on Russell Sernias.
Ken Galeaza keeping in step with Russell. Kita mo naman parehong ang kaliwete. So alam nila kung ano ang gagawin ng isa't isa.
Oh, kita mo naman, Francis Magdaraog. Alley-oop, quick play.
Head and shoulders with that leaping ability, that kind of athleticism. Francis Magdaraog, chance to complete this three-point play opportunity.
Follow shot for Francis Magdaraog.
42-35. Maya-maya lang po ang pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat. Game number 2, end or extend. Under 6 minutes remaining here in the third. Diego Galeaza against Sernias, going left. Nasaraduhan ng pinto. Operario goes to the middle, steps on the brakes once again. This time it won't work. Raimundo has the leather. Bartolome offers the pick. Raimundo splits the defense. Big Bart underneath.
Great pass by King Raimundo. Big Bart underneath. Can't stop that.
Yuri Operario na naman. Yuri Operario! King Raimundo. Russell Sernias, short stab, it's in.
And look at how quick they were able to get down. Russell Sernias already there waiting at the wing for that drop pass from King Raimundo.
Huli naman! Neto ni Russell Sernias, etong si Ken Galeaza.
The Roderick Folks. Smart play, bouncing it off Francis Magdaraog.
Matthew Aran pulls the trigger. Matthew will miss. Offensive rebound, Kirby Bautista, Ken Galeaza. Naku! Naipasa doon sa ulo.
Sa muka.
Sa muka,
Sa
ni
muka
Kirby
ni Kirby.
Bautista.
Sabi nga ni Kirby, sa katawan lang pwede na.
46-37, 4:36 remaining. Victor Abay. Magdaraog, traveling violation.
Nowhere to go. Tried to go for that spin. Couple of players from the Baby Blue Hawks shutting the door on Francis Magdaraog.
We haven't seen Joshua Kamamoto check in the ball game. Is he on the bench?
Yep, he is. I saw him earlier. Ayun, naka-long sleeves pa. Oh.
Yeah.
Katabi
Medyo
ni
malayo
Sean
kasi.
Herbon. Yep, katabi ni Sean.
Spitfire guard din yan eh. Of course.
High leaper, actually,
leaper,
more than anything. He's an athletic guard for Coach Speedy.
A disclaimer, hindi po namin kine-question yung decision-making ng
Hindi.
dalawang coaches.
Yeah.
Nagugulat lang po tayo na hindi pa natin nakikita si Kawamoto. Of course, every coach has a reason. Silang dalawa ni Coach Mark Montes and si Coach Speedy Gonzalez. Oops! Offensive foul ang itatawag. Ang ating technical head, John Santiago, kay Russell Sernias.
May lawit daw ng left leg of that shot ni Russell Sernias.
(46-37). Godwin Oy kicks it out. Galiaza off to the left. They go Bartolome, working his way inside. Big part off the glass. Extending the lead to double digits once again.
4 points here in the game, or here in the third, kay JC Bartolome.
Enzo Arellano loses control of the leather. King Raimundo, 3-on-2 situation. Binigay kay Francis Magdaraog. And there's a foul on Godwin Oy.
Foul number 8, Godwin Oy, his first 13 foul ICC. Shot clock 19 seconds.
How about that steal? JC Bartolome got the 2 points on the other end, tapped that ball, got the steal.
Francis Magdaraog, quick play na naman underneath inbound play.
Back to a 13-point lead for the side of EAC Junior Vanguards.
Yuri Operario can't hit it this time. Rebound by Magdaraog. Siya na rin ang magbababa ng bola. Victor Abay. 10 on the 24, Magdaraog thought about it. Steps back to Victor Abay. 4 seconds remaining. King Raimundo naagawan Godwin Oy. They go Operario. And Yuri Operario.
Indecisiveness on the offense of the Junior Vanguards that time, did not even get that ball down low. They were just up top.
Kita mo naman yung bilis nito ni Russell Sernias, dropping it off to his big guy who was ready to eat inside. Big Bart. 52-39 with 2:09 remaining here in the third period. .205 remaining here in the third period. The 13-point advantage once again para dito sa EAC Cavite. They have managed to cut it down to 5 pero agad na namang bumulusok etong si Russell Sernias and si Big Bart.
Nice drive by Sean Herbon, dropping it off to Joaquin Navarro. Now we're seeing a full court press.
Sean Herbon on the move. Sean will miss. But he gets fouled.
Surprised that full court press after that make. Etong Junior Vanguards getting a turnover. Sean Herbon gets a foul.
Shooting two is Sean Herbon.
Sean Herbon, good on the first. (52-42). Operario, good, cutting the lead down to just 8 points.
And this is, again, those spurts, those runs being shown by the side of the ICC Baby Blue Hawks, but they gotta get those stops as well.
Big Bart kicks it out. Victor Abay puts it up. Kanila pa din ang bola. Russell Sernias, fresh 14. Victor naadulas. Kaso naitapon nila rin yung bola.
Napasa sa gitna ni Godwin Uy at saka ni Yuri Operario. Ni Joaquin Navarro. Ito, yung Don Pacundo Cares 5.
Ayun.
EAC Junior Vanguards.
On the 24. Magdanaog. 6 seconds remaining. Legaspi. Great presence of mind by Bartolome. Godwin Uy to the streaking Roderick Fox. So play pa din. Tapigan ng bola. Ends up in the hands of Toto. Diego Tapilaga. Legaspi puts it up from top of the key.
There's the X factor that we're talking about. Toto Legaspi, 13 points here in a winner-take-all finals.
3-second differential between shot clock and game clock. 14 seconds remaining here in the third. An 11-point advantage para dito sa mga nakaputi. Russell Sernias, 5. Legaspi sets the pick. Sernias kicks it out. Magdaraog with 1. Francis. And that won't count. But still, this is an 11-point lead. EAC Cavite Vanguards just 10 minutes away from dethroning the kings of junior basketball here in the NCRAA. 55-44 EAC. Fourth and final quarter, last 10 minutes to determine if we will crown a new champion or will it still be the Blue Hawks.
Nice touch passing para dito sa ICC to get first blood here in the fourth.
Francis Magdaraog. Agad namang binawi yun. Yuri Operario trying to operate inside. Kicks it out. Sean Herbon. Back to Operario. Sean will miss. Great defense by the Vanguards. Francis Magdaraog. 4 straight points. And a quick timeout called by Coach Speedy Gonzalez. They are in dangerous waters right now. Etong ICC Blue Hawks championship on the line. 59-46 timeout, Blue Hawks. $9:18 remaining. 13-point advantage once again para dito sa EAC Vanguards. Kirby Bautista.
That number 13 seems to be lucky para dito sa Vanguards. Para naman sa ICC, malas.
Ito, Russell Sernias, 15-point advantage, the largest of the ball game.
Give and go play, JC Bartolome to Russell Sernias. Big Bart showing the goggles.
Matthew Aran from the right corner swishes that one in.
Medyo maganda ang palitan doon para sa ICC. 2-3.
Oh! Balik ang bola dito sa ICC Baby Blue Hawks after that turnover by Tapilaga.
In a span of, a minute kanina, back-to-back 3-pointers, 6-point lead. They were able to cut it down to 5. Wala pang 2 minuto yon. So again, that's all ICC needs to do. They just need to get a couple of stops here, a couple of makes there, change the complexion of this ball game.
Rims out itong tira ni Kirby Bautista. Toto Legaspi. He spins against Bautista. He fades. He won't make it. Uy! Yuri Operario.
Technical foul on number 1, Toto Legaspi, for the second infraction of the segmental foul, third personal.
It's a big call, big blow. Toto Legaspi, third personal foul. You gotta keep your emotions in check. 12-point lead.
Technical free throw.
Gotta hold on. Can't give any momentum to the side of the Baby Blue Hawks. Defending champions yan.
Matthew Aran. Good on the technical free throw.
14-second shot clock.
4-point swing kay Matthew Aran alone. Hit a 3-ball. Ngayon, converts on that technical free throw.
Kirby Bautista cuts. Ooh, there's a foul on Francis Magdaraog.
Foul number 5.
At initial bump, no, JC Bartolome. Nakalusot na eh. At Francis Magdaraog nanggigil. Wanted to get that block on Kirby Bautista.
Hindi nga lang pumasok. Kirby Bautista.
One more to cut this lead down to 10 points.
Victor Abay checks in.
Under 8 minutes remaining. 10-point ball game. They go to Pinaga. To Francis Magdaraog. Decides to wait for his teammates. Victor Abay has it. They go to Solserias. Unable to hit it. Robert Apilaga kept it alive for the Vanguards. Here goes Big Bart. Nakawala. Bartolome will miss. Ken Galiaza is down on the floor right now.
All players please proceed to the shaded area in front of respective benches.
So we will have a review. Still a 10-point ball game. 7:20 remaining. Magbabalik po ang NCRAA Season 31 Final.
Review, pushing foul number 88, Kirby Bautista, his third. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 23 of EAC, JC Bartolome. Criteria 2, excessive high contact, third personal.
So there is an unsportsmanlike foul criteria number 2 for JC Bartolome. Natamaan niya daw itong si Ken Galiaza dun sa rebound battle.
And there was a foul on Kirby Bautista. So walang makakancel out dyan. Pero ito yung masakit. 2 free throws and then ball possession.
All possession, ICC, 14-second shot clock.
Splits the charities. Etong si Ken Galeaza. 9-point lead ang sinusubukang i-overhaul netong ICC Baby Blue Hawks.
It was as high as 15 points. At 1 point here in the 4th period. Matthew Aran, quick trigger. He will miss. .08 remaining, 61-52. Toto Legaspi siya na nagbaba ng bola. Dapilaga. Abay with 5. Toto Legaspi. There is another foul underneath.
That was on that
Foul number
rebound
26,
play.
Matthew Aran, his
It's Matthew
second.
Aran. Naposisyonan kasi nga naman siya ni Victor Abay.
Russell Sernias wide open. Can't hit it. Rebound by Navarro. And ball will go back to EAC after that turnover from Ken Galiaza.
Bit out of control was Ken Galeaza on that one.
Oh, Russell Sernias. He lays it in. What a quick possession once again.
That was a nice pick by Francis Magdaraog to get Russell Sernias free from Ken Galeaza.
Bautista sets the pick. Back to an 11-point ball game. Yuri Operario. No, rebound Russell Sernias. He is in transition once again. Behind the back pass, Robert Dapilaga!
Basket by Robert Dapilaga from Russell Sernias.
Sensational move! Sensational play from sensational players. Russell Sernias to Robert Dapilaga. Package delivered. 65-52. 6:03 remaining here in the ball game. 13-point advantage. Talagang hindi makalapit ng todo itong ICC Baby Blue Hawks, coach.
5-point lead was the lowest. That was back in the third. At the start actually of the third. Pero itong fourth, again, talagang tinotodo-todo lang ng EAC. And again, that play, tuwan-tuwa tayo. Russell Sernias with that behind the back using his right hand. And he's a lefty.
Ito Kirby Bautista trying to stop the bleeding. Robert Dapilaga. Naku, masyadong malayo yung pasa. Alam na doon si Russell Sernias. Agaw pabalik pero naitapon yung bola. Nabitawan ni Matthew Aran.
Hindi pa kasi niya nakokontrol yung pasa. He already wanted to give it back, get that forward pass. So sayang yung mga opportunities na ganyan for the Baby Blue Hawks.
Dapilaga against Operario. Pick by Bartolome. They go Abay, driving baseline. Victor kicks it out. King Raimundo 3. No! Toto Legaspi. Second attempt is in.
Gotta box out Toto Legaspi. Mag-isa na lang siya dun to get that offensive board.
Matthew Aran still could not deliver.
Foul number 15, Victor Abay, his second 14 foul, EAC Cavite.
Foul on Victor after that offensive board by the bazooka.
Team's corpus for Cedric Navarro. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Sean Herbon playing the inbounder. They go Operario. To shoot. 4, Sean Herbon. No good. 4:32 remaining.
That time could not even get it down low. Etong ICC, they were just up top trying to find that open man.
Inside they go. Bartolome. Off the window! back to a 15-point advantage para dito sa EAC Cavite Vanguards. Great escape by Operario, hindi nga lang papasok. Matthew Aran, free for the three, hits back iron. 3:45 remaining, a 15-point advantage.
That window of opportunity slowly closing.
Oh!
Para dito sa ICC Baby Blue Hawks, Toto Legaspi. Short stab is good.
17 points na ang hinahabol at naagawan pa sila ng EAC. That must be deflating. Lalo na ito, Victor Abay all alone. EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards feeling it, coach. They're just 3 minutes away from dethroning the kings of juniors basketball.
Yuri Operario with that turnaround. But yeah, I understand the excitement, that anticipation of getting this juniors championship para dito sa Junior Vanguards.
Robert Dapilaga. Nothing there. And Toto Legaspi gets fouled.
Again, that offensive rebound. Toto Legaspi.
Jeremy Bautista is for substitutions. Francis Magdalong and Russell Sonias for Victor Abay and JC Montalve.
2.5 minutes.
2 free throws for Toto Legaspi.
17-point lead. Wow. What a game for Toto Legaspi, showing up here sa finals ng Season 31 ng NCRAA, the Juniors Division.
Making you look credible is Toto Legaspi. Made you look credible.
Double possession for EAC Cavite.
A ball possession or a possession arrow pointing sa side ng EAC.
(74-56). Big Raimundo able to escape.
While you're guarding his outside shot, then takes it inside. That's a smart play.
Last 2 minutes of action.
Corpus offensive rebound.
Substitutions. Ivan Narido, Garwin Uy, and Cedric Navarro.
Ivan Narido papasok na dito para sa Vanguards. Less than 2 minutes remaining.
For Toto Legaspi.
What a game we just saw.
A masterful performance from the Junior Vanguards.
Basket's good, Enzo Arellano. Foul number 26, Jairo Pantoja. His first bonus shot for Enzo Arellano.
I can't think of the reason, what went wrong for ICC.
Just too much firepower for the side of EAC. Again, you remember itong 5 players na pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa, very familiar with each other. They're just, again, ibang liga, iba-ibang liga, magkakasama na yan. Don Pacundo cares. Liga nga. And talaga magkakaibigan sila, and you see it, no? The way they play together, they play for each other. And that's tough. Yeah, that's tough if you're ICC, to play a team that's that cohesive. It's a mixture of outside shots, mixture of transition offense, plus the defense and those rebounds.
And there's a timeout called by Coach Mark Montes, 76-63. A minute and 28 seconds remaining here in the ball game. A minute and 28 seconds remaining. 76-63.
Foregone conclusion as etong EAC, just the finishing touches.
Yes, sir.
To cap off etong Juniors Season 31 Finals.
Oops, 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Close shot, ball hogging violation.
Enzo Arellano gets fouled by Robert Tapilaga.
Quick attack to the basket. Nice dive by Enzo Arellano.
Shooting to Enzo Arellano.
Mosca Ogiran, pinasok na ni Coach Speedy Gonzalez. They've got 4 seconds to cross the half-court line. Talking about itong junior vanguards.
Oops, 8-second violation.
Good job by Mosca Ogiran. Did not foul Robert Dapilaga. Usually, mga ganyan, manggigigil yan eh. Susubok ng agaw. But Mos just kept his composure. He knew the shot clock, or that backcourt shot clock was winding down.
Godwin Uy, picked by Arellano. Godwin from the middle, no. Wala pa sa penalty dito ang ICC.
Godwin Uy, his second 14 foul ICC.
Oops. Francis Magdaraog will miss. Tapon ng bola, napunta kay Ken Galiaza.
Foul number 1, Dodo Legaspi, penalty.
Francis Magdaraog did not need to make an attempt.
He actually could have given it up to King Raimundo, right corner. Again, those are mistakes that you're gonna make when you're young. You're gonna learn from those and make you a better player.
There's another foul by the junior vanguards. It's Toto Legaspi.
Toto Legaspi, 5 fouls. Penalty situation. Matthew Allen for Ken Galiaza. Robert Dapilaga for Toto Legaspi. Good shots for Enzo Arellano.
Just a 10-point lead. 31 seconds remaining.
Are we going to see
A miracle.
a T-Mac-esque?
Or Reggie Miller type of 8 seconds. Or a Caitlin Clark. Ilang segundo lang yun.
The defense of ICC clicking right now. Kung ganun lang yung depensa nila kanina, Coach Fulcourt, the story could have been different.
It would have indeed, pero you also have to take into account syempre yung pressure. So syempre nahihirapan din ng EAC to be able to execute and get that ball to their front court.
Seconds remaining.
Foul number 8 on with Oy penalty is third.
8-point lead. Russell Cernias, this time siya naman ang masusubukan sa ating 15-foot stripe. No pressure, 2 for 2 for Russell Cernias.
8 seconds remaining. Mosca Ogiran. And there it is! The new champs of the NCRAA. EAC, Emilio Aguinaldo College Junior Vanguards have dethroned ICC Baby Blue Hawks. No back-to-back chips for ICC.
What a game for EAC from start to finish. They did not let up, made sure that they were going to get this championship for EAC Cavite. Naihigante nila ang kanilang mga ate here in this finals, this winner-take-all finals. Congratulations, EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards.
And now let's hear the hymn for Immaculada Concepcion College.
Immaculada Concepcion, precious is your name, more than any other, born by mortal, for it came from a mother Mary, pillowed on her breast. Jesus born, Son infant rest, now her name in sacred lines, traced by inspiration shines. Shine, Immaculada, shine, into ICC, our alma mater stands great and strong. It holds our hearts and guides us, it waters us by teaching faith. It's your ICC, hail to thee, Immaculada Concepcion, precious is your name, more than any other, born by mortal, for it came from a mother Mary, pillowed on her breast. Jesus born, Son infant rest, now her name in sacred lines, traced by inspiration shines. Shine, Immaculada, shine, into ICC, our alma mater stands great and strong. It holds our hearts and guides us, it waters us by teaching faith. It's our ICC, hail to thee.
Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. The Board of Directors ng NCRAA Season 31, Mr. Ronnie Barcelona from PMMS, Mr. Anthony Villa Delgado from EAC Cavite, Mr. Benjamin Hernandez from PATS College of Aeronautics, Mr. Jack Vidal from University of Luzon, Mr. Mick Perez from ICC, Mr. Ted Cada for AIMS, Mr. Donnie Leno, Vice President from Besling College of the Philippines, Mr. Jerry Serio, the President from DLSU Dasmariñas, Mr. Marco Agana, ICC President, and Mr. Buddy Encarnado, the NCRAA General Manager, to award our Mythical Five from the Juniors Division.
So again, we are going to be awarding the Mythical Five para sa ating Juniors Division. Congratulations to all the members ng Mythical Five. To start things off, at power forward from EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards with 262 statistical points, averaging 11 points per game, almost 11 rebounds at 10.9, 4.5 assists, a steal per game, Francis Magdaraog. Congratulations, Francis Magdaraog.
Next, shooting guard from the ICC Baby Blue Hawks with a total statistical point of 282, Ken Galiaza. averaging 17.8 points per ball game, 4.8 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and 0.5 blocks per ball game.
Congratulations, Ken Galyaza. Next, at small forward with 271 total statistical points, average 17 points, almost 12 rebounds per game at 11.9, 6.7 assists per game, 3.2 steals per ball game. From BCP, Kalasag, Renzon Corsiga. Congratulations, Renzon Corsiga.
At point guard, averaging 12.4 points per game, 6 rebounds, almost 10 assists per game, 3.5 steals, a total statistical points of 295 from the EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards, Robert Dapilaga. Congratulations.
And at center, with 308 total statistical points, average 17 points per game, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 2.5 steals per ball game. From the ISS Blue Seals, ang Junior Ames, center Paulo Biasca. Congratulations, Paulo Biasca.
And of course, our NCRAA Season 31 Juniors Division Most Valuable Player from the ISS Junior Ames, Paulo Biasca. Congratulations once again, Paulo.
Congratulations to all the members ng ating Mythical 5 sa Season 31 ng NCRAA Juniors Division.
Thank you so much, our Mythical 5 members ng ating Juniors Division. And now, may we call on the second place finishers ng ating NCRAA Season 31, ang ICC Baby Blue Hawks.
Again, congratulations to our second placers sa ating Season 31 ng NCRAA ICC Baby Blue Hawks. And of course, let's give a big round of applause para sa ating NCRAA Season 31 Juniors Champions, ang EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards!
Congratulations, EAC Cavite Junior Vanguards.
It's been a long time coming para dito sa Junior Vanguards ni Coach MJ Montes. Again, congratulations, EAC Junior Vanguards. Head Coach MJ Montes.
The new champions of the NCRAA Juniors Basketball. And of course, our finals MVP, 20 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals. Russell Sernias.
Congratulations, Russell Sernias.
Well-deserved one, Russell Sernias. Congratulations once again.
Of course, without the guidance of their coach, ang ating best coach sa Juniors Division, Coach MJ Montes. Again, congratulations, Coach MJ Montes.
Let's have a few words with our finals MVP, Russell Sernias. Russell, first of all, congratulations. Who do you dedicate this award to?
From my father po. Kasi siya po yung inspirasyon ko sa buhay po. Lahat po ginagawa ko para sa kanya. Sa family ko po, yun lang po.
Shoutouts, Russell. Congratulations.
First of all, kay God po, nagpapasalamat ako ng sobra. Siya nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa amin. And sa mga teammates ko po na may pagtulungan. Sa mga coaches po. And sa mga tropa ko po na nanood dyan. Sila kay Adeng Botbot, sila Boss M, sila Mikmik, sila kay John Suri, sila Coach Rap, si Coach Ray po na nandyan. Si Coach EJ po, yun lang po. Pati po yung number 1 fan ko po, si Cheryl.
Again, congratulations, our finals MVP, Russell Sernias.
And syempre, hindi natin papabayaan na hindi makapagpasalamat. And to say a few words, our best coach sa Juniors Division, Coach MJ Montes. Coach, gaya ng sinabi ni Charles, gaya ng sinabi ni Russell, kanino mo dinededicate itong championship?
First of all, kay Lord, thank you sa opportunity na pagbigyan at pinagpala sa family ko, sa asawa ko, sa baby ko, sa school, kay Sir Anthony, Coach Ashley, Coach Bojoy, Coach Jason, Coach Jade, Coach Ashley, tapos, ayun lang, sa players. Thank you. Sa supporters.
All right, there you have it. Our best coach sa ating Juniors Division, Coach MJ Montes.
Once again, the champions of the Juniors Division ng NCRAA Season 31, Emilio Aguinaldo College Junior Vanguards. We'll proceed sa ating Mythical 5 awarding ng ating men's division.
At the center position, with 178 total statistical points, averaged 11 points per game, 9.6 rebounds, almost an assist, a block per game from the University of Luzon Golden Tigers, MJ Lambino. Congratulations, MJ Lambino.
Next, at small forward, averaging 18 points per game, 3.4 rebounds, almost 3 assists, and 3 steals. A total of 273 statistical points from the Best Link College of the Philippines, Calasag, Victor Nuarin.
Congratulations, Victor Nuarin. Next at power forward, average 22 points per game, 5 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 1.7 steals per game, 327 total statistical points. Alfred Espinoso from PMMS Mariners. Congratulations, Alfred Estinopo.
At shooting guard, averaging 20.4 points per ball game, 6 rebounds, almost 6 assists, 2 steals per game, with a total statistical points of 370. From the ICC Blue Hawks, Alfred Flores. Congratulations, Alfred.
And at point guard, averaging 17 points per game, 7 rebounds, almost 10 assists at 9.8, 3 steals, total statistical points at 378. From DLSU Dasmariñas Patriots, Rogelio Calagos. Congratulations, Rogelio Calagos.
And of course, our NCRAA Season 31 Season MVP from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas Patriots, Rogelio Calagos. Congratulations once again, our season MVP and our whole Mythical 5 members. Thank you so much, our Mythical 5 members. And of course, the moment you've all been waiting for. Game number 2 of the final series between ICC Blue Hawks and the DLSU Dasmariñas Patriots and or extend in just a few moments.